Hi, hope you're all doing good. In this video, I'll be sharing a success story of one of our aspirants who, in spite of facing numerous challenges, has managed to crack the entrance with top score and top rank. See, often when we do something, we create these psychological barriers. In fact, these barriers are purely psychological in nature, no physical barriers as such. So we have so many complaints saying that I'm not able to do this because of that particular reason, or I'm not able to prepare because someone is disturbing me, or I'm not able to actually focus on my preparation because I don't actually have a conducive environment, and so on and so forth. We can go on and on. So we have so many complaints and we keep pointing out fingers, but there are some aspirants who realize the fact that success is not something which comes when you ask for it. Rather, it is something which comes when you work towards the same. It's all about working hard, working consistently, and most importantly, believing in yourself. So here is a success story of our aspirant Dr. Kulthum. In spite of having a gap of 5 years after completing BDS, in spite of being a homemaker, a mother to a kid, and a wife with so many responsibilities to take care of, she still managed to give her best during her preparation phase, and now she has cracked NEET MDS 2020 with top score and top rank. So here is what she has to say for you guys.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Kulthum, and this video is to share my experiences on how I got All India rank 132 in NEET Dental PG 2020. Yes, few words about myself. I did my studies in Central Dental College, Kasaragod. I am basically from Kerala, Tirur. And after completion of my studies, there was a huge gap of 5 years. And being a mother, being a wife, I had several responsibilities and challenges. And thanks to God, Sai sir always used to put this short and cute motivating videos. It was really helpful and always motivated us, which kept us in this peak level. Coming to my tips and tricks, what I used, I divided initially I did the non-clinical subjects first. It required more time. I invested more time in it because to build the concept and all that. And the next tip was to see as many as videos, because less time, more content videos. And also the study club discussion, as well as making us to read the important topic and making questions out of it, all were really helpful. The test series also was really helpful. I used to do it like sometimes in weekly once, all the 5 days, or the daily MCQs, all were really helpful. And also I practiced more and more MCQs, so it really helped me. Practicing more MCQs doesn't mean that you should just blindly learn. You must know what is in the front of it, what is in the back of it, what is the side, and all that. Initially it took more time to read the concept. Later I could do more and more MCQs. No need to rely on the latest. You don't have to worry about the latest collection designer questions. Instead of that, rely more on important questions. Important questions are important. So never stick on to one subject in a day. So first 3 hours I used to mix it with anything like a test series plus videos and all that. And the another tip is writing notes. Note that newspaper, you're going to write the newspaper report. Instead of that, just make it simple as possible, just the diagrams and yes, like that. Make more mnemonics, simple mnemonics. For example, Glasgow comma scale. The withdrawal means WITH means is equal to 4 score. WITH 4 number, so 4 score. D score 3 kate. D score 3 kate, you can say at D score 3 kate, that is the score is 3. Then decerebrate can be like decerebrate 2, which is the score is 2. So it was really helpful making codes like this simple and all that. Pharmacology, like if the difficult name, you can just split it and relate it to the common familiar names. So it can really help also making stories and as well as mnemonics. So this is another tip of pharmacology. Yeah, drink more tea. Tea always gave me that energy, that boost of energy. So 1 cup tea I used to drink in the morning, and 1 cup of tea I used to drink after having my nap, the afternoon nap. Then after that nap, I used to drink 1 cup of tea, and then I was all good to learn again. And the next tip, go for good snacks in between, some sweet, healthy or proteinaceous snack. So it's really helpful. Another very important tip, I used to assess where is my position, where I am I in the front or am I in the back, or am I simply confident, or am I really doing it, is my strategies right, and all that. So it really help if you are assessing yourself. So these are the tips which I used, and these tips, hopefully they are helpful to you all. And it was nice talking and sharing my tips. Thank you so much.
Well done, Dr. Kulthum, and congratulations on your achievement. I'm sure your story will be a source of inspiration for thousands and thousands of aspirants watching this video. And as mentioned prior, it's all about working hard, working consistently, and most importantly, believing in yourself. So try to focus on the aspects which Dr. has shared, and see to that you're giving your best each and every moment. And the bottom line is, try to master as many concepts as possible in the given time period. Try watching, making notes from videos, and then practice as many multiple choice questions as possible from the given test series, and do actively participate in all the discussions. It can be study club discussions or point and shoot tests or assignments. And finally, last but not the least, try to assess yourself. That's why we have these ranking systems and all on weekly basis, right? So I wish you all the best, love you all, and for any further queries or assistance, you can always get back through mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com. Take care.